Our delivery drones are designed to tackle the real-life challenges which are faced by the traditional delivery methods. Traffic congestion in the cities like Bangalore and Pune, which rank number 6 and 7 in the traffic index. So delivering using the traditional methods in these cities would be a hectic task. This is where our autonomous delivery drones comes handy.
So our drone is equipped with Pixhawk flight controller and has features like GPS positioning and waypoint navigation, and it also has obstacle avoidance. It is equipped with delivery mechanism and high resolution cameras, and also has real-time sensors for safety purposes.
Apart from delivery, our drone has a wide range of applications in various sectors. One of them is image-based volumetric analysis, which can be used in mining and resource management, and the other one is crop monitoring, which can be very much helpful in agriculture. We are constantly working on improving the autonomous delivery drones by enhancing their navigation system to make it more precise and adaptable to different environments.
In Western countries, businesses like Amazon, Zipline are already into this advanced drone delivery system. I think now it's the time that we adapt it in India as well.